Do you need a free and easy way to send money from your CIMB account to a GCash user? Watch this video to learn how. Here's what you need to do. Open your CIMB app and log into your account. Tap Transfer on the dashboard. Then, select Transfer to other banks. You need to select GCash from this list. Type in GCash to easily find it. Then, tap GCash to select it. Next, you need to provide the recipient's name, GCash number, and the amount. Type in the recipient's name. And then, enter the recipient's GCash number. And lastly, enter the amount that you need to transfer. Then, tap Continue to proceed to the next step. Review all the details you provided, and tap Confirm to submit the form. Enter your 6-digit MPIN to confirm your transaction. At this point, you can see that the transfer is successful. Tap Done to go back to the dashboard. You will get a text message from CIMB Bank after the successful transaction. The receiver will get a text message from GCash when the funds are transferred to their GCash account. Thanks for joining us today and taking time to watch our video. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. And if you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our future content. Don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family who might also benefit from our content. Thank you once again, stay tuned, stay motivated, and until next time.